It's a banana? It's a banana?
Oh damn, this one's not a bot.
This one's a bot.
What the fuck? How did you shoot me, bitch?
Shake up.
Wow, okay.
Okay. Oh, banana? 150? Maybe it is a bot. Can the bots build ramps now?
7 people left. 3 of them.
Spray them out.
They're gonna come to us.
It's only 2 of them.
Oh, one's white, one's white. There's white.
They hit me.
Heal up,
Oh,
heal
one's
up.
white, one's white. Who has a launcher?
Me.
Falcon.
Why didn't you shoot that a long time ago?
Just keep spraying it now. Keep spraying it now.
Anybody got rockets?
No, I'm out.
Yeah, I got 4.
Oh, shit.
Launch it
Give me
into
an opening,
there. Launch it
Martinez.
into there.
What?
Launch into that hole right there.
130 hit.
This is the sniper guy. Oh, shit. Where'd that other shot come from?
They're gonna have to move, bro.
Y'all got rockets, Angel?
Yeah, I got 4.
They're launching?
Launch pad, he launched pad.
30?
Knocked one.
They're behind us
Nice.
now? 1 behind us, 2 behind us.
They're in the floor though. They're in the floor.
2 right here. White, white.
Is that only 2?
These are the only 2 that made it over here.
This guy's probably healing, bro. Yeah, that guy's probably healing.
Knocked.
This is the last
One more
guy.
guy.
Got him.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ooh.
I like that communication, guys.
Like the top of the hill. They had a real hard time getting up there.
Hell yeah.
I don't know where it's at.
Is that your first game on, Falcon?
That is my first game on.
5
Damn.
kills right here.
I didn't check. Oh shit, I only got 2.
I got 2.
I only got 2 too. Who carried G?
Hey.
Jeet.
Had 5
How
kills.
much do you have?
Yeah, fine.
Oh shit.
Next time you lose your phone for 2 days.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.